The way your son don't need a gun to get respect.
Dr. Singh. There is a scientific journal called Nature. It contains articles concerning natural products like plants, flowers, and minerals, but it does not mention God. Srila Prabhupada. We may rightly observe that plants are being produced by nature. But the next question we must ask is, who has produced nature? To ask this is real intelligence. Dr. Singh. They don't generally think about this. Srila Prabhupada. Then they are foolish. Where does nature come from? As soon as we speak of nature, the next question should be, whose nature? Is it not so? For instance, I speak of my nature, and you speak of your nature. Therefore, as soon as we speak of nature, the next inquiry should be, whose nature? Nature means energy. And as soon as we speak of energy, we must inquire into the source of that energy. For example, if you speak of electric energy, you must accept its source, the powerhouse. How can you deny it? Electricity does not come to us automatically. Similarly, nature is not working automatically, it is under the control of Krishna. Student. In the Vedas it is said that material energy works under Krishna's direction. Srila Prabhupada. Yes. As soon as you speak of energy, there must be a source. The mirage of the